So this area isn't too bad. I need to hang the dog leash up. I need to sweep and mop and tidy up the shoes. I need to take this caddy back, ship it back to Amazon. It didn't work, as you can see. We desperately need to dust. And there's a lot of clutter around. Just lots of things that need to be cleaned up. Even stuff that's gotten dropped on the floor that didn't get picked up. And if you think that's bad, look at the kitchen. All of this stuff is down because we're getting a new refrigerator today, so I need to sort through that and put it away. This refrigerator needs cleaned, but not until the new one comes, and then we'll list it for sale on Facebook Marketplace. Dishwasher's full, food on the counter. I have clean dishes on the counter, dirty dishes in the sink, stuff stacked all over the place. And we are getting a new refrigerator because this freezer doesn't open all the way because of this wall. It just hits this wall, so we can't really get into the freezer. We got rid of a bunch of stuff last night, so there's not much in there. But yeah, there's a lot of work to do around here to get things cleaned up, so let's get busy. The first thing I'm going to do is go around and tidy up all of the clutter and get things put where they belong before I start the cleaning process. Our townhouse is very small, as you can see, and when there's even just a few things out of place, it makes it look like we haven't cleaned in a very long time. It obviously isn't that much, but to me and to my eye, it looks like just a massive mess, so that's what I'm going to work on first. And now that the clutter's put away, I can start with the actual cleaning process. And I'm just using traditional furniture polish that I picked up from the dollar store. I got it from Dollar General, and it's just the off-brand traditional furniture polish. It's not any special brand at all. I get questions about this every time I do it on a video, but I do feather dust my furniture every time I dust the wooden furniture. And what it does is removes the dust from the furniture just like it does the tables, but it also removes any dog hair, any crumbs, or anything that might be left on the furniture, and it just keeps it looking good and in good condition. So I do that just with a regular feather duster, and I do it all the way around, sides and back and everything, so it gets done probably once or twice a week. I don't use Pet Fresh all that often, maybe once every 3 or 4 months. I know it's not good for the vacuum, but all of that pet hair can't be good for the vacuum either. And I know the carpet gets, it's got to smell bad. I'm not getting on the floor to smell it, to be quite truthful with you, but it's got to smell bad. I mean, we're walking across it, the dog's laying on it, stuff gets spilled on it, everything gets tossed down there. So I just put that down to help absorb some of those odors while I start cleaning up in the kitchen. So I'm not sure what happened here, but I lost the actual footage of cleaning the kitchen, but I Windexed all the countertops, cleaned the appliances, cleaned the sink, emptied the dishwasher, loaded it again, cleaned everything off, swept, mopped, vacuumed, and I vacuumed the living room. And you guys, it's kind of irritating because I had amazing vacuum tracks for you. I even put the camera clear down on the floor so you could see the vacuum tracks and everything. So I'm super irritated to have lost that footage, but here I'm just bringing the kitchen rugs back in and I'm going to give them a quick vacuum. I love vacuum tracks, you guys. Take a look at these after shots. They just make me so happy. Okay, everybody, the house is clean. I'm going to sit with my fresh cup of coffee and my Robin Carr book and relax. This is the last day before I go back to work after the long Memorial Weekend holiday. So I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video. Hit that subscribe button. Give me the thumbs up. We'll talk soon.